Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Janice. So for today's video, UBE cheese pandesal. So it was a long time, like almost 2 months, I was looking for an UBE essence, but I couldn't find any essence somewhere here where I'm living. So one of my friends who put in the Instagram that she have a UBE pandesal. So I was trying to message to her, and yet she told me that she will get it for me. Thank you so much for your UBE essence. So without that essence, I couldn't make this pandesal. So shout out to Mary. Thank you so much, Mary. I hope you are here so you can taste this pandesal. Anyway, next time I will bake it for you. So if you like this video, just keep on watching and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. So let's go to the video and start our baking. These are all the ingredients that we are going to use for today's video. So we have butter, 1 piece of egg, cheese, all-purpose flour, salt, sugar, dry yeast, UBE essence, purple yam or jam, and milk. So let's start our videos. And now let's start the dry ingredients. So I have all-purpose flour, and then I'm gonna add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, butter, so this is the dry ingredients. Now let's start with the liquid ingredients. Break 1 egg, and then 1/4 cup of melted butter. So 1/4 cup. Now let's add. Now our yeast is ready. So now we can combine the melted butter and the egg and yeast. So just combine. Then you can mix. And then you can add to the dry ingredients. And now let's do the mixing. And then you can add the UBE essence. So let's mix. And the dough is in front of you. So first you do the dusting. We can start kneading. It's almost ready. And now it's ready, so we can keep it for resting for an hour. Alright, so now this is our fermented dough. It's ready. Then we just punch it. So soft. Very nice. Alright. So now we put the lids. So now we have UBE jam and then cheese. Put some OB jam. And then some cheese. Now let's close it. So this is our pandesal. So now we have breadcrumbs. We will just dip it into the breadcrumbs. So let's go for baking. Now let's check. Oh wow! It's almost ready. So another 5 minutes, then we will take it out. Alright, so now our pandesal is ready. Alright, so wow! Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. Shout out Mary, thank you so much for your OB essence. So without that OB essence, I cannot make this pandesal. So thank you and God bless you always. Stay healthy and stay safe. So see you on my next vlog and please don't forget to subscribe. Bye!